Hello there, and welcome to Inside English Universe. I am your teacher and friend, Ladian. Are you beginning your journey into learning English? It's always best to start from the beginning. And what better beginning is there to start from than the English alphabet? In today's lesson, we are going to learn the complete English alphabet. This lesson is going to be highly interactive, so you don't just sit back and watch, but you practice along. This lesson is divided into two sessions. In the first session, we are going to be learning the letters of the alphabet and also how they are used in the spelling of words. In the second session, we are going to be understanding the sound of the alphabet in a more detailed way. Now, let's get into the lesson proper. I'll read through the alphabet once. Please listen carefully as I read. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, let's read together. Repeat after me as I read. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great job! In order not to get confused, one thing I want you to understand as a beginner is that in English language, letters are used to spell words and sounds are used to pronounce words. That is to say, words are not always or words are not necessarily pronounced the way they're spelled. Now, we are going to read through the letters of the alphabet one more time. And this time, we are going to see examples of words that are spelled using these letters. A, 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 apple. B, 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 B. C, C, K, K, cat. D, 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 door. E, 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 egg. F, 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 fun. G, 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 goat. H, H, hat, I, E, ink, J, J, jelly, K, K, kite, L, L, lemon, M, M, man, N, nest, O, A, orange, P, pin, Q, queen, R, R, rat, S, S, sand, T, tick, U, umbrella, V, v, van, W, wine, X, xylophone, Y, yam, Z, zip. Great job! Now we are going to move to the second and the last session of today's lesson. In this session, like I earlier said, we are going to be looking at the sounds of the alphabet in a more detailed way. So, despite there being 26 letters of the English alphabet, there are approximately 44 unique sounds of the English alphabet as of now. The reason why I'm saying as of now is because we are learning, we are evolving, language is growing. So in the nearest future, there could be, say, 45, 46, but for now, there are 44 sounds, distinguished sounds of the English alphabet. These 44 sounds are divided into vowel sounds and consonant sounds. There are 24 consonant sounds and there are 20 vowel sounds. Now, we are going to begin with the consonant sound. Each consonant sound is going to be accompanied by an example so that you would best understand how it is used. B, bag, d, daddy, f, fan, g, gun, hop, j, jam, k, coin, l, liver, man, nest, pin, rat, sit, tip, v, v, van, w, w, waiter, z, z, zebra, j, j, treasure, ch, ch, church, sh, sh, ship, th, th, throne, v, v, mother, mm, mm, tongue, y, y, yellow. Okay, so I'm sure you're learning something, you're gaining value from this video. Please, if you are, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that when I upload further videos, you'll be able to access them quickly. Okay, so let's move now to the vowel sounds. There are 20 vowel sounds in the English alphabet. Now, the vowel sounds are a little bit tricky, so I would please want you to pay attention as I read through. A, laugh. A, maid. Bread. E, meat. England. Now there's a difference between this vowel sound and this vowel sound. Although they really look and they sound similar, but the difference is this vowel sound is E, and this vowel sound is E. So this vowel sound is E, and E, and E. Pronounce with me. E and E. Great job. Excellent. Okay, so let's move to the next vowel sound. We have I, sky. O, foot. O, so. U, wolf. Blood. U, shoe. Oi, boy. Ow, bow. Dollar. Air, cheer. Arm. Bird. Or, war. Ear, ear. Here. Oor, cure. Thanks for watching. Bye.